Now I can freaking off-road vlog forever. Alright guys, so I finished my oil pan. Right, just waiting for a stud kit. Studs are required because these are gonna be super difficult to get to. Anyways, decided to do some upgrades on the car. When I first did this swap like 5 years ago, right, I had multiple variations of the engine mounts. I actually had these welded on. Yeah, so these actually broke off. And this Crossmember is actually a Crossmember for a 3TC. As you can see, check out that crazy steering angle for that U-joint. And check out that rack. It's just welded directly to the Crossmember. Because back then I was a starving student and I couldn't afford anything. Okay, so I dug out this Crossmember. And I dug out this rack. This is gold. I need straps for the top. So we're gonna have to make something for this. Cleanish intake manifold. Clean water neck. Clean transmission. Clean Crossmember. What am I gonna do? Gonna cut this tube and I'm gonna make some. Gonna make my own bracket. I'm gonna spend all day to save $55. That's right. It's just shy of an inch. Let's take our calipers. Okay, right around there. Okay, I got it all mocked up in here. I'm just gonna toss on a gusset on that angle. Here's some exhaust pipe I cut. Weld all those together and tack it to the actual rack. You know, the rack is actually level. If you see the level, the bubble goes over to the right. And then you see that the bubble is also touching the right line. So I'm gonna say this rack is level. Okay, I like it. The rack is level. I just want to make sure it's not twisted now. Alright, so I tacked that in place. I also set my bushing on fire. I learned not to follow this. Spacing on this is different, but I just have this butted up against it. Got the heat gun because it's really cold. Boiling. Some more of this self-etching primer. Some light coverage. After, we'll spray it with this stuff. Then we're gonna let this dry. Let's watch paint dry. Self-etching primer and some satin protective enamel. And then that's wet. Gonna slide that out. Slide that out. And dry it up. Okay, you can see how the subframe and brackets turned out. Looks like a rattle can paint job. Alright, so we're cutting the side that I'm holding on to. Okay, and then we just set it and forget it. 76.50 minus 55.25 is 21.25 divided by half. 10.6. Sure, let's do 10.63. All right. Usually I just eyeball it, but I decided to measure it, so we're gonna scribe it. Alright, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. And that should line up. So my wife decided to get me something for my birthday, and she thinks that it's a good gift. I got myself something for my birthday. Let's open my box first. Filet-O-Fish Fridays. If you look at this, check it out. KE AutoWorks. Okay, I'm opening my own gift to myself. What did I get myself, guys? Ooh, hardware, nuts and bolts. Check that out. 8 by 1.25, 6 by 1, 6 by 1 nuts. Oh my god. 10 by 1.5 nuts. All right.
How's your eyes? Are they closed?
Mm-hmm. Feels like a box. Okay.
Like you can open them so everyone can see your disappointment.
Oh my god, why?
So you can stay motivated.
What? I'm gonna crash this thing. Why would you do that? Thanks, honey.
Are you excited?
To crash it. Got my box here. I mean, do people even watch unboxing videos?
I don't know. Do they?
I don't know.
I do.
This isn't one of those glitter boxes, right? That's gonna blow up.
I don't know. Maybe.
Well. Oh!
Ah, see, you broke it already.
Did I get that on tape? On tape. Oh, that's pretty compact. Can I use it to record? Just to record?
Yeah.
Like a camera?
Yes, it's a camera.
I connect it to my phone?
Yeah.
Now I can freaking off-road vlog forever. Just totally vlogging. Look at that. Who is that?
It's me and the pups in the Grand Canyon.
Check out
In
this-
front of a backdrop.
Check out this canvas print. Okay guys, I'm gonna put this to charge and I gotta get back in the garage. Okay. I got this hardware here. So I got this plate bolted up. Bolts are a little long. I could probably put a washer behind these or a lock washer, or just grind off some of the thread, but other than that, the plate lines up. Let's go ahead and drill the other one. adjustment.